Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I am excited to share with you 23 West 116th Street, the Adeline, and we are in the home of 6A. It is a beautiful, sophisticated corner 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, approximately 1,640 square feet, featuring an expansive living and dining space anchored by a chef's kitchen and high-end appliances. Not only do you have all those bedrooms, but you could sneak away with your own home office, or even as they're using it today, a little music spot. In the great wisdom and insight, this particular developer in 2014 made a one-stop lifestyle building. You have tremendous outdoor space, 5,800 square foot courtyard on the second floor, in addition to a 2,300 square foot outdoor roof terrace that has got panoramic views of the skyline of Manhattan. You have a children's playroom, a fitness room that is run on site by Blink. Harlem represents so much of our rich history of Manhattan, and it represents this fabric of low-rise buildings, of new and old, and architecture that has some of the greatest details for us to enjoy right at our fingertips, whether it's the Apollo Theater to the Red Rooster by Samuel Marcus. There's everything at your fingertips. Come home. And I'm Louise Phillips Forbes. I'm waiting to hear from you.